was
a wizard caught in a trap.
Yes, or a rose flourishing. So, now, on to the next sound. This sound is... Yes, I can see why you YouTubers use this sound. This is brilliant. Very good. And then it's the... Yeah! It's me! Then...
It's Zach from Saved by the Bell.
Yeah, or Alice Cooper.
No, it was that guy who did all the beatings and the stabbings from Saved by the Bell.
Thomas
Dustin
Hamilton.
Diamond.
No! Oh, shit. Yeah, I didn't mean to say that, sorry. But what we need again is... oh, fuck the
It's a transition sound. This is a different thing.
What's the transition sound effect?
Like wipes.
Oh, what? Is this
wipes.
silence, is it?
Screen wipes.
Oh, it's like, no, it's not. It's like a fucking
It is,
Christopher
it's like
Nolan
screen
film.
wipes.
I don't know what to say after that.
Oh,
So it's not as good as the other one, is it?
No.
Oh. No, yeah. I don't know. That's like, when someone's walking around the corner of your dark house, and it's like...
Oh, they dislocate their knees.
It's the fucking spider on the roof. The spider on the roof. What's the spider on the roof? But no, let's get back to the other one. That's sound. Should we give him a shout out? K-Teen21. Shout out, yo. So, yeah, you know, that's some interest in the golf bit. Oh, they're all sandwiched together rather quickly there. So, yeah, let's go back in time, people. To the night. What's after this fucking?
Oh.
Hello, yeah, we've got fucking Maddie on the phone. Hello?
And Jerry at the door.
Bill Cosby. Let's come back. Oh, and he's trying to ring Maddie again. That's very American.
It is.
We don't need no fucking roosters. What would we have in this country?
Chicken.
Rag and Bone Man. Rick Bean! Rick Bean!
Bring out your dead!
Rick Bean! Oh, Mr. Rag Bone Man.
I'm not dead.
I just amazes me, you know, amazes me. That was a bit Australian, wasn't it? Like, you know, Rag and Bone Man. They're still fucking allowed. Just go around taking all the shit out your backyard, like.
I'm getting better.
Well, they must be fucking, you know, they're all over the place. They've got their own band now, haven't they?
I feel happy.
What the fuck is this, mate? It's fucking causing me to feel alarmed.
Oh dear.
Oh, so yeah, so that's our little review of popular sound effects that YouTubers use.
We just played some noise and then said, "Oh, we didn't even say that. That was the tape rewinding."
Oh, that was a tape rewinding. So what they could do, what we did, and they can use these sounds, and hopefully.
I like the suspense one.
Yeah, should we give it a suspense one
No,
more
it's
time?
next.
Okay, so you gotta
Dustin-
go back to your house.
Like it, and then Dustin Diamond comes in.
Who's Dustin fucking Diamond?
Screech from Saved by the Bell. He did all the big...
Why did it say bad about it not for kids?
Yeah, but don't remember
What, when
Screech.
we were
Do you
kids?
remember Screech?
Do I thought I never watched these?
You're
I
an idiot.
didn't have Sky.
Mate, come on. It wasn't on Sky.
No, what was it on then? He wasn't fucking
Like
on. He
Channel
wasn't on
4,
BBC
Channel
Two,
3.
was he?
Yeah, no, it was like Channel 4 or Channel 3.
Yeah, no, it was on Channel 4 OD. No,
No.
it's Channel 4 E4, not
It was
E4.
in the late 80s, early 90s, man.
Oh, maybe, but yeah. So you get a girl back your flat, and like he's taking a fucking, you know, she's got big
In
tits.
your case, you open the
taking
door, she sees the state of your apartment.
Oh yeah, but she still gets fucked. Anyway, on a different note, no, come on the police. Don't come on the police. It's mayonnaise, boys. No, and you know, she got big tits, and you've always seen the tits, but then you know, you're pulling her panties down, and you feel a big bulge, and it's like. How not to use sound effects on YouTube. So yeah.
That's the end.
Bye.
Go fuck someone.
Oh.